Hi, I'm Nick Mara with CJS Electric. Today, I'm here to show you how to install a light fixture. As you can see, this particular one has been pre-wired. First thing you'll need is a screwdriver, a voltage tester, and a pair of pliers with good insulated handles. Next thing you need to do is find the power source and turn it off, either by the switch or by the breaker in the panel, which is the best way. As you can see, there's a black, a white, and a bare wire. And hang the light fixture. Then, as you can see, we have the wires here. We attach the white to the white, the black to the black, and the bare to the bare. Take the canopy, raise it up with the nut that comes with it, and screw it onto the stud, and there you have it. Energize the circuit, turn it on, and that is how you install a light fixture. I'm Nick Mara with CJS Electric. When in doubt, give me a shout at cjselectric7.com. Thank you.